BTF is doing in Fairford is integrating with our partners and allies, working on interoperability, working on learning how to fight together as a team. The Royal Air Force, the UK, and in general, has been one of our closest allies for the last 100 years. So we're there to integrate with them, we're there to fight with them and learn their capabilities and for them to learn our capabilities. So that happens and we get into a near-peer war, a high-end war, then we're more prepared. I really love your Winston Churchill quote saying that the only thing worse than fighting with your allies is fighting without them. Right? The concept there is different countries, different nations, different cultures have different ways of doing things, different ways of saying the same thing. So sometimes that causes a little bit of friction. If we work together right now and work out some of those kinks, then the more capable we're going to be later. And then our differences make us stronger because we have different perspectives on how to attack a problem. There are some differences in flying in the UK or flying in Europe, just with AETC and stuff like that, but after you figure out those differences, it's not hard at all. I love the B-52. I've been in it for my whole career. My dad was a B-52 Wizzo, just like me. It is a jack of all trades, a master of all trades. So we do very well at nuclear deterrence, standoff employment, direct attack employment, close air support. We're great at them all, and I love it because you're never bored because there's always something different to learn. I've been in it like my whole life, like I said, and I'm still learning stuff every day. So it's actually an incredible airplane to employ and fly.